Hey friends, I'm Lisa Limehouse, the founder and CEO of Marriage Redesigned, and I've got something really important to ask you. Are you living out the purpose God designed for your marriage? Did you even know that God brought you together on purpose for a purpose? Well, you may not if you've ever been stuck or you feel emotionally distant from your spouse right now. You're just plain exhausted inside of your relationship. Maybe life has thrown everything at you, including the kitchen sink, and you're on the brink of divorce. Or maybe you have been faced with betrayal, infidelity inside of your marriage. Well, I want you to know you're not alone. Many couples have experienced exactly what you've experienced. I've also experienced these things, but I want you to know you don't have to stay stuck where you are. I'd love to invite you to something very special. It's called the Marriage Redesigned Reboot. It's a 2-day intensive designed to help you reconnect, restore, and renew your marriage. And friends, listen, it's more than a retreat. It's actually a reset for your relationship. It's a fresh start. It's a new vision. And it is a powerful opportunity to rediscover the connection and the calling God has designed for you as husband and wife. Now, over these 2 incredible days, you and your spouse will be guided through powerful teachings, connection building exercises, and faith filled practices that bring about real change. My husband and I actually help you uncover what really matters in your marriage. Heal the emotional distance that's been built up over time. Create a God-centered plan for your future together and walk away with clarity, direction, and a renewed hope. You'll also receive your own Marriage Redesigned workbook and your Marriage Redesigned binder. We actually call it our Marriage Bible. A mapped out vision plan for your marriage. All your meals over those 2 days are completely provided for you, plus snacks, surprises, and a few special moments to reconnect with each other and with God. I want you to know this isn't just for couples who are in crisis. It's for every couple who wants more. Maybe you want more connection, more peace, more purpose, more of the abundant life God designed for you together. So whether you're navigating betrayal, maybe you feel like roommates, or simply you're ready to move from good to great, well, the Marriage Redesigned Reboot will meet you right where you are. And you'll walk away with something better than you've ever dreamed or imagined. So if God can turn water into wine, He can raise the dead back to life, then He can certainly restore your marriage. So are you ready? Are you ready to grab your spot, reboot your relationship, and actually have a marriage better than you've ever dreamed or imagined? One that you only hear about in fairy tales. Well, God can do those things and more. So, you have been given some resources along with this video. Make sure you go through them. It tells you all about the program. It gives you the pricing structure and so much more. And we can connect, journey, help you reconnect, restore, and renew your relationship. We can do all this together if you're ready. So click the link that you've been provided. Let's get you scheduled and let's start this journey together. I can't wait to meet you. Be blessed.